Welcome to JTEKT Electronics India Private Limited. JTEKT Electronics India Private Limited, formerly known as Koyo Electronics India Private Limited, is a subsidiary company of JTEKT Electronics Corporation, Japan, established in September 2007 providing software services including smart factory solutions in India and overseas. As a member of the globally renowned JTEKT Group, JTEKT Electronics Japan specializes in the development and manufacturing of high-quality mechanical, electromechanical and electronics equipment for the process industry. With a robust international footprint, JTEKT Electronics Japan also has subsidiaries in Japan, USA, China and Taiwan for product development, manufacturing and sales. The organization proudly operates under the umbrella of the Toyota Group, upholding the highest standards of excellence, quality and reliability. Overall Equipment Effectiveness, or OEE, is a key performance indicator that measures how effectively a manufacturing operation is utilized. In today's competitive manufacturing environment, maximizing productivity means tackling hidden inefficiencies head-on. Challenges like untracked downtime, untracked losses, and poor quality control often go unnoticed, yet they cripple production. Add to that no performance benchmarking, delayed decisions, inaccurate planning, reduced accountability and reactive maintenance, and the result is low productivity and reduced quality. Is it affordable to ignore them? OEE system, or Overall Equipment Effectiveness, is a powerful metric that helps manufacturers evaluate how efficiently their equipment is operating. OEE is calculated by combining three core factors: availability, performance, and quality. Availability tracks the percentage of scheduled time that the equipment is actually running. Performance measures how well the equipment performs compared to its maximum speed. Quality reflects the percentage of good units out of the total produced. Availability is the ratio of actual runtime to scheduled time. Performance compares actual output to the ideal target. Quality checks how many units are good out of total produced. Together, these metrics give a clear picture of how efficiently equipment is running. OEE system delivers powerful insights to enhance productivity. It tracks machine uptime versus scheduled time, monitors live performance, and displays the ratio of good parts to total production. It breaks down losses in real time and sends alerts when performance drops below thresholds. It shows the live production performance data, highlights gaps between targets and actual output, breaks down causes of losses in real time, visualizes trends to identify patterns and issues, and the team can compare performance across shifts or teams, enabling smarter, faster decisions on the shop floor. At JTEKT Electronics India, we offer end-to-end solutions to empower smart manufacturing. Our smart factory solutions include systems like e-Kanban, Andan, eKYT, traceability, and energy monitoring, designed to optimize shop floor efficiency and visibility. Under software services, we specialize in application and firmware development, embedded systems, web technologies, and data analytics, ensuring seamless digital transformation. We also provide factory automation products such as PLCs, HMIs, SCADA, encoders, sensors, and timer, offering reliability and control at every level of your operations. JTEKT Electronics combines Japanese engineering excellence with competitive pricing. Our seamless installation ensures minimal downtime, while our reliable after-sales support keeps your operations running smoothly. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact JTEKT Electronics today.